Hello everyone, and you are welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is native garden egg sauce. I am going to show you how I prepared it. Please make sure you watch this video from the start till the end because you are going to love it, and it is also very short. All right, let's go. So as you can see, I first of all parboiled my garden egg, Scotch bonnet pepper and onions. So I have to peel off the back of the garden egg because if you don't do that, it will be bitter. So now I am going to blend everything with this native calabash. Okay, so now I'm going to do it like this. Make sure you blend it thoroughly, and guys, trust me, this recipe is everything. Like, it is very healthy, and also the method, like the way I prepared it, is also very unique. Like, I love the method I used. Okay, so yes, if you want to feel at home like you are in Nigeria, that village style now, like that village taste, you will get it. Yes, so I'm going to do that till it is properly smooth, or how I want it. So as you can see, guys, that's how I want to leave it. So I'm going to start frying my fish. I'm going to use tilapia fish and fresh mackerel fish for this recipe. Yes, I just decided to use the fish like this because the garden egg is not that much. Okay, so that's why I use this amount of fish. I'm going to flip it aside and let the other side fry as well. Garden egg is very healthy. It improves sugar control, and it also helps to lower the cholesterol. It is also low in calories and fat. It has also a lot of vitamins, and it is also good for the immune system. Like, it does wonders for the body. So as you can see right now, the fish has finished frying. I'm going to remove it and then continue with the next process. So I'm going to add onions to the pot and then let it fry a little. Add a little amount of crayfish, let it also fry a little bit, and then add my already grinded garden egg with the Scotch bonnet pepper and onions. Guys, this garden egg sauce, like the method I use, the taste is just heavenly. Like, you have to give it a try. Like, do it this way, try this method, and you are going to love it. So I added a little amount of water to it, and of course my seasoning, and after that I'm going to stir carefully, and then also taste for salt. So I also added a little amount of crayfish later on because the one I added was not that much. So now I'm going to add the fish and let it cook on a low heat for at least 5 to 7 minutes, and that's it, guys. Like I told you, this recipe is super easy to prepare. So the salt was not enough. I added a little amount of salt to it, and that's it, guys. My garden egg sauce is ready. I'm going to eat mine with plantain. Okay, like the plantain is not that green, not that ripe, it's like average. Okay, like almost ripe. So yes, that's it, guys. That's how I prepare this delicious healthy garden egg sauce you are seeing here. Please help me to share this video. I will really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And now my plantain is ready. I'm going to eat it with my plantain. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Facebook, TikTok and Instagram with the same name, Mama Triple N. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, also plantain is also very healthy. Like, it has a lot of nutrients, it boosts the immune system. Yes, see you in my next video. Bye.